Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, make sure you're on the home screen, the current watch face, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it, like this. You can also change the watch faces through settings. So let's wake up the screen on our watch, then swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings you should see the watch face option. Tap on it to open the watch face menu. Find the watch face you like to use, tap on it to select it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.